are you? I hope you're having an absolutely amazing day today. Guess what I have? I have a subscription box. If you are in love with subscription boxes, I'm not giving up on them entirely. I'm not going to do a lot of them, but I will have them peppered in, and especially the ones that I love, and this is one that I absolutely love. It's the Empower Her box from Sam & Lance. This is a subscription box that is women owned, and all of the featured products from within the box are also women owned. Isn't that cool? So they really do focus on like sustainability. I think every single bit of the packaging is recyclable every single time. It is a seasonal subscription. It's $59.95 per quarter, or you could save $10 if you bill for it annually. So let's break into it. I know there's like a little booklet in here that tells us a little bit more of the background story of each of the brands. I'm hoping that I can dig around and get that without spoiling it. Found the card. It looks like we have 6 different items in here. Fun, love it. First thing that we have is small. Let's go for the small thing right here. This is Ma Soiree Nails Co. It's their nail wraps. If you have not tried nail wraps yet, then I'm excited for you, because then now you get to try them if you get this box, because they are so awesome. They make your nails so much stronger. I know that doesn't really make sense, but they're like a sticker basically of nail polish, and then once it's on your nails, it hardens them. It's the only way that I got my nails to even like grow out to any length whatsoever was by using these like nail stickers. Came with a few things. It has like a scratcher on the back of this. Oh, that's cool. I guess with my code then I would have a buy 2 get 1 free item from this brand. That's pretty neat. And then it also has a nail file in here, as well as an alcohol prep pad. This is from Ma Soiree, founded by Anna, aspires to bring a curated collection of premium DIY gel nail wraps to the comfort of your home. Ma Soiree advocates for self-care and inclusion. Anna and the team take pride in designing products that are always toxin-free, scentless, vegan, cruelty-free, and pregnancy safe. These nail wraps can be put over natural nails, acrylics, or gel and can last for up to 2 weeks. Oh, and all the instructions are in here as well. Okay, let's go for a big thing, a decently large thing. It feels like Epsom salts. It's not. It's cream of Earl Grey, black tea, medium caffeine. I literally just gave up caffeine. I won't be giving it up for forever, but I was intaking a little too much caffeine and I was feeling a little wonky during the day, so I knew I needed to kind of rein it in and pull it back a little bit. Cup of tea. I think it actually might be tay, because the E has that accent, right? Cup of Tea is a premier online retailer of loose leaf organic teas and teaware. This journey began in 2008 when founder Taylor Lindsay Noel, an aspiring Olympic gymnast, suffered a devastating accident while in training that left her paralyzed and in a wheelchair. Driven to overcome, she launched Cup of Tea in 2018 with the goal of providing the world's finest loose leaf organic teas and teaware. When I get back on caffeine, I'll try that first. Next up, this tube thing. I think we have a makeup product or a skincare product in here. This is from EVO Beauty, E-V-I-O Beauty, and it's kind of both. It is a perfect primer for a perfect base, and it's a matte finish primer. I'm almost certain I've tried this before. I think I got it out of a Kinder Beauty box, kind of like a long time ago. It's a good one. This entire brand, everything that I've tried from them has been killer. Evio is on a mission to break stigmas with inclusive, good-for-you beauty products. At the age of 21, Leifso was living in a domestic violence shelter when she founded Evio Beauty Group Limited, an impact-led, clean beauty brand on a mission to break stigmas with inclusive, good-for-you beauty products that connect us, not divide us. So this is a 2-in-1. No, wait a minute. Okay, they accidentally sent me a second box, and I'm reading the back of this, and it says this radiance boosting mask can be used as a wash-off treatment or an overnight moisturizer to restore skin's brightness and give a healthy glow, which clearly I have a face primer, so that's not this, but I just went and checked the other box that I had, and there is actually an EVO Skin Mask and Moisturize, so I'm betting that there's potentially a variation in this, or you're going to get this because, yeah, potential variation. You'll get one of the two. Next up, let's go for this thing that's in a bag, and it's a little wet. It looked like they knew potentially it could leak in transit, and they protected anything else that was in the bag. That's nice. This is mineralizing activated charcoal toothpaste with organic coconut oil, which is probably what that is, activated charcoal, diatomaceous earth, baking soda, calcium carbonate, xylitol, and peppermint essential oils. It is from a brand called Hey Pizzazza. I love that name. That's a fun one. Hey Pizzazza Fazzuda. And the owner is Tippy Zewin and her husband T are Lakota and Dakota from Osheti, Sakowin, the Makoshi, homelands of the 7 council fires commonly known as the Great Sioux Nation. They have 6 children who struggle with skin issues from store-bought products, so they started creating their own using Lakota and Dakota traditional plant knowledge. And it says that like you just treat it as a normal toothpaste. It's good for adults, it's good for kids. I mean, I guess I expected it to be black, but I don't know why I'm shocked that it kind of like looks like mud in there. Yeah, I would probably just take the end of like my flosser or something, dip it in here and swipe it across my toothpaste or toothbrush. Or if you have, I don't even have any of those around here. Like I have those little silicone spatulas, like the tiny little beauty silicone spatulas. I'd probably use one of those rather than sticking your toothbrush down in there just to keep it sanitary. I've tried charcoal toothpaste in the past, liked it a lot actually, and it brightens your teeth naturally. Isn't that nice? We already unboxed 4, so there's 2 more things left. Let's go for the smaller of the 2 things. We have a headband. I don't know what I thought it was at first. It's got that cute knot in the top center, and it's very adjustable. My oldest just got like Zooey Deschanel-ish style bangs. I've been telling her how cute a headband like this would look on her. I'm not much of a headband person, but with bangs especially, I feel like they're so dang cute. I'm just not, I can't even make a headband look decent. I don't know, am I supposed to pull these things out in the front or am I supposed to like leave everything tucked behind? I don't know, I don't get it. It's definitely something Alexa can wear. It says, this is from the brand Omosh or omosh.ca. During the pandemic, Lydia decided she wanted to focus on handmade products, focusing attention on detail and extra love. A portion of all sales are donated to the International Justice Ministry. Oh, and the satin is so that it doesn't cause any damage or break your hair. Love. Okay, and then the very last thing that we have in here feels like fabric. It could be a shawl, it could be a scarf, it could be a wrap, it could be a poncho, it could be a towel, perhaps? This is a hand towel, it is. It's from a brand called House of Jude. It's a hand towel. It's naturally antibacterial, resistant to mildew, and you can wash it less often. Oh, because they dry super fast, the Turkish towel. Is that what this is? It's like Turkish? That's what it feels like. 100% cotton, Turkish cotton. Because I am hand loomed in Turkey, I may have some natural imperfections. Soak me overnight in cold water before your first wash. Wash me in cold water and hang me to dry. Oh, okay. Ooh, it's kind of fancy. There are like little fluffy bits, which would probably be why they suggest that you soak it in cold water and then wash it before your first use. I love this color. It's a very neutral color, but it's also very in, and it has these tassels on the end, which I love. The tag on the side is sewn on so nicely. It says House of Jude. It is actually a very decent sized Turkish towel. This is probably pretty expensive, even though it's a hand towel. House of Jude was born out of love for Turkish towels and a need for a cozy towel for baby Jude. Quick drying and extremely versatile, these Turkish hand towels can be used in just about every room in your home. I do have some Turkish bath towels. They're one of my very first bougie purchases ever for my home that I felt like, you know what, I did something good and I wanted to reward myself with it, and I got myself like a whole set. No, I lied. It's not a whole set. I have 4 bath towels and I have 4 hand towels. Now I have 5 hand towels at least. Okay, so then that's it. That's everything that came in the package. I will have the direct links for all of these brands, all 6 of these brands down below, or if I can't find their direct link, at least their Instagram, so you can check them out. It is still available. You can get the fall box. When you go onto their website, you would just click on like subscribe or get the box or something at the very top. I will have our direct link and code all listed down below in the description box and in the pinned comment. They do a whole lot of really cool things. So if you share them on socials and tag them, then they plant a tree on your behalf. Isn't that so cool? So we're gonna get a tree planted for us today. Thank you all for watching. I guess that's it. That wraps it up. Huge shout out to all my patrons for making videos like this possible. To all of you for being here. If you like subscription boxes, you should probably consider hitting subscribe because I do it every once in a while. My primary focus is cleaning and organizing the home, doing it efficiently, slightly elevated. Love you all so damn much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.